Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you.
We've already gotten over the fact that I lost 2 pool games, 2 games of billiard, or call it whatever. You're like, do you guys play billiard? Do you guys shoot some pool? I'm more of those snooker fans. I've never played snooker, actually. Pretty hard game. 5 and 21. 50 on the 5, 200x on that 21. Come on, let's go. 2 red numbers, 2 beautiful multipliers. $21 with a 200x. Come on, get in there. Beautiful. That is our 4th one already. Cats is like, woo! More than ready. And the bets are now closed. Let's send this grid flying up into those cloudy clouds. Fairy, because your mech is off. Is it? No, it's not. 32, 35, 50, and 100x on that 35. So let's see if this round will take us. And this round's winning number is 31 black. High nod indeed. Back to back. Someone's hoping for that back to back with that 21 and 31. Well, we got the 31. Not 2 21s. But we've seen it happen with that 31 a few games ago. Remember that? So, no, it was actually with the 35. Bets are now closed. Let's send this grid flying away. And let's see if we can get that 5th lightning number in here. Yesterday with Bennett we had a session with 7 lightning numbers. Can we top that? Well, let's see. 2, 10, and 21 are the lightning numbers. 100, 100, and another 100. Deja vu? Deja vu. No, but this time with 100. That 21 was with a 200x multiplier. 33 black. High nod is this round's winning number without a doubt. From Tier to Salander. Right there. Grid is all yours. Betting time, yes, you guessed it, is once again all yours. So let's see where this round will take us, shall we? Oh, it is taking us for a ride, most definitely. 0 green looking strong, 12 looking strong. Second column in general. Alrighty then. And the bets are now closed. Let's send this grid flying, and well, let's see the numbers. Let's see the stallions. Let's meet them. 2 of them this time. The 14 and the 25. 14 with 100. 25 also with a 100x. Here we go. Another one. The 5th one for this session. 14 with a 100x multiplier. Come on, we are on fire. First